I'm back with another DIY. This one is a DIY mini terrarium. I know terrariums are so on trend right now, so I couldn't resist making one for you. This is what it looks like, the tag. And directions are on the back. And then here's what's inside the bag. What I used as the container were just these glass spice jars. So you just take off the lid to the spice jar, and you're gonna basically just kind of layer up different kinds of things. So you're gonna need some gardening soil and some moss. This is faux moss, so it's not real, but you get the beautiful effect of moss. And you also have in here some colored gravel. Inside the bag, you'll find a tag too, just in case you want to give it as a gift. This is a chalkboard tag. So we'll set aside the tag for now. And you're gonna see this lid. You can just take it off and toss it. You're not gonna need it. And then you layer in these different things. So I'm gonna start with the white gravel. Just gonna pour that in. Woo! Make it be maybe a quarter of the way up. And then the next layer, I'm gonna put the moss in next. So I just I'm gonna tear a little bit of it off. Put that in, tap it down. And this is just plain old gardening soil. You can take a spoon and just kind of spoon it in. All right, so once you have it about that full, you can put inside this terrarium. Now, I didn't include it, but if you can find a little succulent plant, those are really cute to put in here. A little cactus would be cute. So whatever you find that you think would grow really well, you're gonna wanna just put a little tiny bit of water. They don't need a whole lot of water to grow. And you're gonna wanna keep the cap off and set it in the sun. And that would be so cute on a bedside table or as a gift to give to somebody. And again, you have a little chalkboard tag to go with it, just like that. How cute. Thanks for joining me. I so love doing these. It's been such a fun thing to put together these kits for you. I hope that you're enjoying them, and I'm gonna plan on doing this all the way through the end of July. So we'll see how it goes. But by the end, you might just get, like a rock in a bag, and that's all I can come up with, but we'll keep trying. All right, hope you enjoy your mini terrarium. Bye.